The 2025 Lamborghini Aventador SVJ concept, a machine that redefines what it means to be a supercar. With radical new design elements, cutting-edge hybrid performance, and Lamborghini's unmistakable DNA, this concept car doesn't just hint at the future, it roars it into existence. Performance. Under the hood, the 2025 SVJ concept is powered by a hybridized V12 engine producing over 900 horsepower, blending raw combustion with electrified precision. The instant torque from the electric motors gives it mind-bending acceleration, with a 0 to 60 time rumored to be under 2.5 seconds. Advanced active aerodynamics and torque vectoring make the SVJ not only brutally fast in a straight line but razor-sharp through corners. Exterior design. The exterior of the SVJ concept looks like it was sculpted in a wind tunnel on another planet. Aggressive lines, a razor-sharp front fascia, and massive air intakes make this Lambo look ready for the track or a sci-fi movie. The reworked ala aerodinamico Lamborghini Ativa system dynamically adjusts airflow for maximum downforce or minimal drag, depending on driving conditions. Every angle serves a purpose, and every detail screams performance. Interior design. Step inside and it's clear Lamborghini didn't hold back. The cabin is a blend of futuristic minimalism and racing-focused luxury. Digital interfaces dominate the dashboard, with a holographic HUD, touch-sensitive controls, and augmented reality navigation. Carbon fiber, Alcantara, and ambient lighting surround the driver, creating a cockpit that feels both high-tech and deeply immersive. Fuel efficiency. While no Lamborghini is built for MPG bragging rights, the 2025 SVJ concept takes a bold step forward with its hybrid system. Regenerative braking and electric-only driving modes make it surprisingly efficient for a supercar of its class, without compromising the brand's iconic performance. It's still loud, fast, and thirsty when you want it to be, but now, it's a bit smarter about it. The 2025 Lamborghini Aventador SVJ concept isn't just a car, it's a declaration. A statement that the future of supercars can be both brutal and beautiful, fast and efficient, futuristic yet unmistakably Lamborghini. If this is what's coming, the future is looking ferociously exciting.